Hey guys, welcome back to another RESK maths tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to construct nth term when given linear sequences. So a linear sequence is just one where all the terms progress or are added and subtracted by the same value, also known as an arithmetic sequence. So for example, the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a linear sequence because all of the terms is just plus 1 each time. Okay, so there's a few steps in order to form the nth term, and it's quite simple, but once you have it, it's really easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find the difference. So the difference in this case would be 1. So we can start our thing by writing t. The term is going to be 1 multiplied by n plus k. Okay, so that's the first step. We want to get this, and now the next thing is to solve for k. So to do that, it's really easy. We just need to substitute in one of the values. So for example, when n equals 1, the first term, t is also 1. So we can substitute these values into this equation up here. We get 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 plus k. So 1 equals 1 plus k. So k equals 0. So once you solve for k, that's all we need, because we can take this information and substitute it back into our equation. So I get t is equal to 1 times n plus 0, which is just t equals n. So here's the nth term for this sequence. It's pretty self-explanatory because it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 forever, but let me show you on a slightly more challenging example. Let's have the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. So the first step is to find the difference. So the difference between each term is positive 3, like you can see here. So that's going to enable us to find our equation. T is equal to 3 multiplied by n plus k. Now we solve for k. Using the first term. It can actually be any term, but usually we use the first term just because it's easier. So if we solve for k using the first term, that's going to say we know when n equals 1, t equals 2. So let's substitute this into this equation up here, and we get 2 is equal to 3 times 1 plus k. So 2 equals 3 plus k, so k equals minus 1. Just like that. Now we take this information, substitute it back into the original equation. So t is equal to 3n minus 1. And there we go. We formed our nth term. You can check this works for any term. I usually just check it for one of the later terms. So let's see, n equals 5. That means when n equals 5, t is going to be 3 times 5 minus 1, which is 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. And therefore, we've got the correct nth term. So thanks for watching. Those were the simple steps. All we have to do is first find the difference, substitute it into this formula, then solve for k using the first term. And then just take these values, put them into the formula, then solve for k, then substitute k back in, and you get the final answer. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.